Hi friends, I'm Kartik and today I'm going to show you how to make a dice game. So let's start. So first we are going to do the designing. I will choose a background image first. Upload file. It's loading. Uploading. This is the first background. Now let's upload the second. So these are the two backgrounds. So first I'm going to choose this one. Okay. So now I'm going to make a label right. In this label I'm going to write dice dot 2020. So this is the name. And now I'm going to select the font size, and the font size would be, let's take it to 22. Let's scroll down, font size 22. Right. Now change the text color to black and the background color to turquoise. And now I'm going to drag this label just here. Yes. I'm going to drag this label right here at the edge, and I'm going to make it thicker. Now the text alignment to center, and make it right. So this much is fine, or before only it was fine. Okay, so now we are going to insert a button right here. Here I'm going to write start, increase the border width. So let's take the border width to 4. Border width 4. Border color will be red. Be red. Now let's increase the font size. The font size will be 25. Okay, so it is 25 right here. I'm going to change the text now. Right. Now I'm going to change the background color to white and the text color to, let's take it to black. The text color will be black. Sorry. Yes, so now the text color is black. Let's make the button bigger. Yes, so now the button is much more bigger. Now let's make a new screen right here. I'm going to click on new screen, and this is it. Now I'm going to choose an image for the background. Let me choose this one. Yes, this looks good right here. Now I'm going to go to screen 1. No, screen 2. Yes. Now drag an image right here. So now we have to upload some images of a dice. Means the different sides of the dice. Sorry, faces. Like on that dice, one, 2, 3, 4, all the numbers should be there from all the views. So I'm going to upload them. This one. So this is number 5. Now this one, 4, and then number 3. Let's scroll down. Just a minute. Okay, let's upload the rest of the images now. Right, now the button is there. I will click on upload file. It's loading. Loading. Yes. Now the second one. Let me scroll up. Yes, so this is dice 2. And now only 2 more are left. 1 and 6. This is 1. Uploading. And now this one is 6. It's uploading. Yes, so now all of them are here. Now I'm going to choose one right here. This is our dice number 1. I'm going to make it bigger and drag it right here. A little bit up. Yes. More. Yes, now it is fine. Now I'm going to go to screen 1. Select this button. Copy to screen. Okay, so now it is copied. Let's drag this button right here. Yes. Now let's change the text. Okay, let's make it bigger. Yes. Now I'm going to drag it right here. You can add this button if you want. It is not necessary, but I'm adding it right here. Yes, now it is fine. Now I'm again going to go to screen 1. Select this button. Copy to screen 2. Okay, it's copying. Right. Now erase all the text right here. Make it thinner like this. Smaller, 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 smaller. Right. This much is fine. Now I'm going to scroll down. Select an image right here. I'm going to go to icons first. Yes, and from here I can select the arrow. So for that I'm going to search back, and I'm going to select, you can select any back arrow from here which is facing the left side. I'm going to select this one. This looks good. And now I'm going to change the icon color. Let's take it to white. Yes. So now the background's color is also the same. So now let's change the background color to blue. It's sky blue right here. Then so now the arrow is visible. Let's edit a little bit in this button also now. First let's drag it at the edge. Yes. Now I'm going to set this, drag it a little bit here. No, a little bit here. Yes, now it is fine. Now change the background color. Again to sky blue. No, a little bit light. Now the text color to white. No, this should be a little bit dark. Yes, this is fine. Now the border color will be, let's write blue right here. It will automatically change it to dark. We will also write the color right here instead of choosing it by clicking on the square. Here I have written the color and it's there. So now we are completed with our designing part. Now let's do the coding. It's coming right. So first I'll add this set screen button so that the screen does not exchange. Sometimes it happens. That's why. So on event ID button 1, let's copy this, make it right here. Set screen. Now let's go to screen 2. Okay. Now on event. Okay. So there is one more way of doing this. Let me select button 2 first. Yes. So now instead of adding this button, you can simply add this images code right here. Like when we will click on this image, then this image will change to any random image of 1 to 6 instead of adding this button. Okay. So here I'm adding this button, but I will code for both right here. So now first I'm going to go to variables right here, and now I'm going to declare a variable as x right here on the top, and now here I'm going to assign it. So x equal to, now I'm going to go to maths, and now let me scroll down. I'm going to take the random number block from here. Random number 1 to 6. And now I'm going to make a function right here. So this is my function. Its name will be, let's take it to row. Okay, so its name is row right here. And now, no, not row. It will be, yes. Now I'm going to go to control and take this if block and place it inside my function. Now I'm going to go to maths and take the equality operator from here. This is the equality operator. So this declares that two numbers are same or not. Okay. So now, right, I'm going to write here x. X will be there. If x is equal to 1, means if this variable x chooses 1, means when we are clicking on this and x has chosen 1, then what should happen? Then the image should change to 1. So I'm going to go to UI controls now. Now I'm going to scroll down and drag this set image URL. I'm going to place it right here. Change the ID to image 1, and now I'm going to choose the image. Choose dice one. Choose. Right. Now I'm going to make 5 more copies of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are the 5 copies. So these are the copies of it. Now first I'm going to change the numbers. Oh, sorry. X, and here 5, and here 6. 56, 6. Yes. Now I'm going to select the images from here. Again, click on the little arrow and then choose 2, and here it will be 3. This is 3, and then 4. Right. And then 5 and 6. Let's scroll down, and this is dice 5. And now 6. Choose. Okay. So now it's there. So now you can also code for this so that it works in both the button and the image. Means when you are going to click on the button, then only it will happen, otherwise it won't happen. And then if you are going to click on the image, then only it will happen, otherwise it won't happen. So here I'm going to code for both of them. You can code for one also if you want, means you can insert the button or the image if you want, or both. So now I'm going to call my function right here. Right, so it's there now. Here I'm going to write roll. Okay, now I'm going to select this, make a copy of it, and here I'm going to write image 1. So now no, not now. I will scroll up, select this, control plus CV, and then here it will be button 3, and here screen 1. Now I'm going to run it. Start. Right, let's click on start. Yes. Now I'm going to click on this image. Just a minute. So let's click on roll dice. So it's working. Then again, okay, let's click. So it's changing the images. And if I click on the image right here, I clicked on the image, then also it is changing. So here I have used both of these. And the most important thing is to call the function. Otherwise your function won't work in anything. So here in both of them I have called the function and both of them has means they have the both of the variables. So now I'm going to rename my project. I'm going to name it as dice.2021. Now save it. It's saving. Yes. So now you can also share your project by clicking on share. You can publish it also, but for publishing you need to run your app. So we have run it right now only, not one two times. Then only it will make thumbnail means the image an example of that. You can copy the link and you can also send to phone. If you click on it, it will be sent to Gmail and you can share it on these two apps also. So this was how we make a dice game. Thank you. Bye. Hope